everyone, Model Car Guy Rich here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I've got something a little different. I've got 2, 4, 6 AMT Ertl promos, and instead of breaking them up into 6 individual videos, I'm just going to do one video, save you guys the headache of having to look back on each one of these. These I've had since the late 90s, early 2000s, I think. I'm going to set them like this and see if that'll help you guys. We'll try it like. Alright, I'm going to try it again. Third time's a charm. This one here, the tag has been ripped off of it. You can see this is how they're supposed to look. This one looks like something got caught on it, peeled it up, but very faintly it says Corvette, Chevrolet, 1995 Chevrolet Corvette in purple metallic, I believe it is. And the only reason I know that is because I've looked in here a little while ago. These are kind of funny. You got to open them up on both ends, peel them out, and then they just kind of unfold. And then you have your car inside, or your truck, or whatever it is. That one's there. Pretty neat. Like I said, I've had them over 20 years. I don't know if you can read it. It says 95 on the back there. It's pretty cool. The color on the camera is pretty close to how it looks in person. It has screw bottoms. Going back to the old style, right? And over here it says licensed by GM Corporation. But there's no other detail about the vehicle at all, you know, stamped in there at all, which is kind of funny. Got Goodyear front and rear tires. That's pretty cool. Well, it also comes with some decals, or stickers, I guess they would be, because they're not water slide, they're just peel and stick. And that's the decal there on that one. And I'm not going to try and put it all back. I'm just going to set it aside, and we'll look at the next one. This one here is also a 95. Competition yellow on that one, it says. Let's see what that looks like. I haven't seen this one in years. I'm guessing it's going to be yellow, right? Yeah, let's see here. Pull that out. Go in there. Oh, yeah. Now, this one, the decal is almost identical. Okay. And this one, oh yeah, that's yellow. That is bright yellow. Wow. All the same. Well, I guess because these two are, you know, both 95, so everything is similar, just obvious color change. Yep. That's a cool one. If you're into yellow, that's definitely one to get. And here we have another 95. This one says it's convertible. I believe I picked these up at an auction many years ago. I would have liked to have gotten every one they had, but I didn't have enough cash on me at the time. Let's see here. This one is... well, this one's black. Convertible. No stickers in this one. And again, the same markings on the bottom as the other two. And that's convertible. Also a 95. I don't know if I mentioned that. Alright. We'll set that one right there like that. Alright, and this one's a 96 Corvette Coupe. Bright aqua metallic. Let's see what that looks like real quick. And this one does come with the stickers. Same as the other two. And then this one, oh, that's a sharp color. It's not blended real well. You can see a bunch of color variations there. But that's pretty sharp. And this is a 96, this one, which is almost identical to the 95. I don't see any difference. Same markings on the bottom. Yep. Pretty neat. Alright, because the battery's going to die on the camera, I'm just going to make this one about the Corvettes. So there was 4 Corvettes. We'll do those, and then my next video I'll have the 2 pickup trucks. We'll look at those. So thanks for stopping by, folks. Hope you enjoyed that. Just a quick little basic video. Have yourselves a great day. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.